What's up, everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're talking about a new leak that has a lot of Samsung fans worried. After Apple's controversial redesign for the iPhone 17 series, it looks like Samsung is following suit, and the results are, well, they might disappoint you. Leaked images of new components for the Galaxy S26 series have just surfaced, confirming a major redesign. And according to a reliable source, these new phones are, in their opinion, quite an eyesore. We've got the images and all the details on what these new flagships might look like. The new leaks confirm what we've seen in previous renders. The Galaxy S26 Ultra looks like a step backward, especially with its new camera bump, which makes the Galaxy S25 Ultra look modern by comparison. The base model, which is rumored to be called the Galaxy S26 Pro, has a similar design to the Ultra, just a bit smaller. The only phone in the lineup that looks somewhat decent is the Galaxy S26 Edge, which is said to be very similar to the new iPhone 17 Pro. While looks are subjective, it seems Samsung is moving away from its iconic boxy design and creating a new look that might feel outdated even before it launches. Despite the questionable design, there are some reasons to be optimistic about the Galaxy S26 series. For starters, the Galaxy S26 Ultra will reportedly use the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 globally, so everyone gets the same premium performance. The Galaxy S26 Pro and Galaxy S26 Edge will go back to the hybrid strategy, using both Snapdragon and Exynos variants in different markets. More importantly, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is finally getting a camera upgrade. It won't be a new sensor, but a significantly wider aperture, which is apparently what the new bigger camera bump is for. This wider aperture should let in a lot more light, leading to better photos, especially in low light. So while the Galaxy S26 Ultra might not wow people with its looks, it should take better photos. And if you're like me and you love the new iPhone 17 Pro design but want to stick with Android, the Galaxy S26 Edge could be the perfect phone for you. So what do you think of this potential redesign for the Galaxy S26 series? Are you on board with the new look, or do you think Samsung is making a huge mistake? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech leaks and reviews.